What is happening now is that the Election Commission is putting the burden of proof on the voter. It is completely in violation of the Representative People Act 1950, electoral rules of 1960 passed by this House and the Supreme Court judgment of Lal Babu Sen, sir. SIR, sir, has turned this head on its head and puts onus on the voters, sir. Sir, voters who were part of the electoral roll in 2025, instead of being given the benefit of presumption, are required to submit documents to prove the citizenship. The 2003 electoral roll is arbitrarily fixed at the baseline for which revision is being conducted. Sir, ECI is not a body empowered to go into question of citizenship. A power lies with Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India and Foreigners Tribunal created under the Foreigners Act. Sir, may I point out to you that what ECI is doing is wrong. Section 14A of Citizenship Act 1950 read with 2003 NRC rules. Section 4, subsection 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prescribe just such an exercise of relation to citizenship to be conducted by central government. How is it the ECI is assuming the power given to other agencies of parliament just by passing as you order? This is an occupied field. The ECI has no role to intervene. Sir, as per the ECI release, 65 lakh voters were included, whose names were included in the electoral roll after the commencement of SIR exercise omitted from draft roll published on August 1, 2025. After that, sir, several lakh voters where names were included draft roll were served with show cause notice. I have the copy of show cause notice that doubts had arisen on their right to be included in the electoral roll and they were asked to appear in person with documents to prove that they were entitled to be included in the electoral roll. Sir, on what basis did the ECI issue these notices? How did the doubt arouse? Form 6 rule has been passed by this August House. How can the ECI do it? They are violating the sanctity of a law that is passed in this August House, sir. Eventually, 3.66 lakh such persons were deleted from the electoral roll with no order made available in the public domain, giving the reason for deletion. Sir, under the SIR order, these persons are to be referred to authorities tribunal dealing with illegal foreign migration. Now, sir, look at this, what the government is supporting the ECI. When this 3.66 lakh such person deleted, the government immediately, which was the draft is published on 30th August and finally 30th September, this government came out with the new Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 and was notified, and an Immigration Foreigners Exemption Order 2025 cemetery is promulgated same day. Under this order, sir, no action under Foreigners Act will be taken against illegal entry, presence for citizens of Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet and Sri Lanka, Tamils, in addition to persons other than Muslims belonging to Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Sir, when Supreme Court is seized on the petition of CAA, government issues a foreign exemption order. Why? Because they realize that in this 3.66 lakh, there can be people more than the non-Muslims also, to protect them. You have done it, and then after 5 years of CAA, you will give them citizenship. That is why I say that this whole exercise, sir, I'm concluding, sir. This is why I say this whole exercise is a backdoor NRC.